coming with me? Come. Oh my God! Look at my car! Holy Jesus! I can't! Look how thick the snow is on the top of my car. Oh, Lamb of Jesus.
I don't.
Wait, I gotta go in the back. Okay guys, this is March and this is Canada. Look at my car. And this is how Canadian clean car, okay? When it's like this, it's horrible. Look at it guys. Jamaican people, you see where we have to go through a Canada? Look at this. This is my winter vlog. Oh my God. It's enough clean. You see guys? This is March. What the hell is going on? I forgot this can stretch out a little bit. Alright.
Oh God.
This is bad.
And that one?
It's so wet. Maybe we can drive like this. I think we can drive it. I'm not doing that up there. It's too much.
Oh God. It's so nice.
Alright guys, that's it. I'm not taking off anything more. This is winter. Oh my God, it's March. Really? This must be the last. Wow. Wow. And guys, look at me. Through the winter, through the storm, the snowstorm, I'm beautiful. Look at my hairstyle. Oh, going all over. Wait, why does I want to go to? Goodness. Anyhow, guys, it's not cold yet, but I'm gonna shovel this part here, guys. Wow, this is Canada. Super white. Full of snow. Right, guys? So this is it, guys. Look, you see? Just me stepping out. You see? In no time, in like seconds. Okay, woo, look at snow, guys. ASMR. And then I want to show you, and then I'll go back. I'm not going over there today, guys. It's too far. I'm not enjoying that today, and it's too deep. So guys, this is my view. Look at it. Ooh, look at you, girl. Alright guys, I'm gonna shovel some snow and have a wonderful day. This is winter in Canada, March 6th. Look at the view, guys. Look at the trees. This is just the backyard. Look at the view. So much snow. Yeah, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Look how beautiful it is. Look at this tree, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Woo. Awesome. Shake it, guys. Shake it. Yeah, in my boots, guys, in my boots. Alright, I think that's it. Oh, it's cold. This is a basketball court. Look at those trees. The trees. Wow, I think that's it, guys. Look at that. Alright, guys, that's it. Look at me. Alright, guys, that's my morning vlog. in the cold winter time. Have a good day. Bye guys.